Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. It's a wet week ahead and in fact turns more stormy as we head into the weekend. Lots of cloud, outbreaks of rain and some high rainfall totals. And that's the reason why the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for that rain from Wednesday evening onwards till Friday. This stream of cloud and rain just continues to bombard particularly western and northern parts of Scotland with outbreaks of rain, and we could see even in excess of 150 millimetres in places. And what that means, the risk of some deep water flooding and also volumes of water just flowing down the mountains, and that causes problems as well. Into Friday, another deep area of low pressure moves in and there will be more warnings issued through the next few days. So it's worth staying up to date with the Met Office warnings on the website or on our social media channels. Now, through this evening, the rain actually peps up from the west, so we're expecting an intensity of that wet weather as it extends from the southwest towards the northeast. Dry night though for Shetland. You won't see the rain until tomorrow. Temperatures then holding up, 12-13 Celsius, helped with the cloud, the rain and also the wind mixing up the air. So a breezy start to the day come Wednesday morning. It's also wet outside. The highest rainfall totals yet again will be towards the west there, and with that they will continue through the day. So we do see that rain extending towards Shetland. Some clearance coming in, the cloud could break at times, the rain becoming a bit more patchy, but always on the upslopes towards the west. We continue to see a feed of that rain. Temperatures then in any brighter breaks, 17-18 degrees Celsius, 14 for Shetland, 16 for Stornoway. Into Wednesday evening, that's when the rainfall warning kicks in. You can see this rain really just continuing, just being streamed in from the Atlantic. And it's this zone here where we're seeing the highest rainfall totals. But even as far south as Dumfries and Galloway, there could be some impacts associated with that wet weather through the next few days. Into Thursday, yet again, it's a wet day. The rain comes and goes towards the east, but notice towards the west there, that's where it really intensifies as we see gale force winds pick up as well. So it's a wet and windy day on Thursday into Friday, and some heavy downpours are likely. Through Friday, eventually, the rain does clear and we'll have a brief respite before all change yet again into the weekend as another low pressure system develops and tracks in from the Atlantic. Temperatures day on day are going to fall, and this is your outlook through the latter part of Friday. As you can see, that rain arrives yet again. So as I said, there are more warnings going to be issued. The risk of some impacts associated with those high rainfall totals. Take care and I'll see you again soon.